Hello, my people. All right, this is a copy of what we do. This is Ishego Companies Limited, Ishego Techs Companies Limited. We install all kinds of CCTV cameras. So, as you are watching this video now, this is part of our work. This is what we are doing. We used to install CCTV cameras all types. So, this is one of the sites where our technicians are working. So this is the CCTV camera. This one is called PTZ, digital PTZ. It's wired and it can rotate. It's colored, and all thanks to Hikvision CCTV company. They are the best company for CCTV cameras and a lot of security gadgets. So you can see me, the CEO. I'm on duty, so I'm the one fixing that particular camera there. So thank you, and we look forward to serve you better as you contact us soon. Thank you very much.